We're inside our very first Framer project, and we're going to have an overview of the various sections in the screen. On the very left side, by default, you should have this insert panel, which is activated. And over here, you're going to be able to insert all of the elements, which we're going to discuss in a greater detail throughout the course. So this is going to be one of the main sections which you're going to have access at all times. Now, if you click on the insert again, you're going to see one of the most crucial columns of the Framer platform, which is pages, layers, and assets. And this is where your project is going to be and have all of the different pages of your website. In this case, here you're going to find all of the layers. So as we start adding items, you're going to see this section being populated, and you can easily switch the pages directly from here. And over here, you're going to find more advanced assets such as components, styles, and even coded assets, which we're going to discuss in future videos. Now on the top, you're also going to find useful features such as layout options, which are going to be really important for creating responsive website components. You're also going to have the text, the CMS, and the actions, which these last two we're going to discuss in great detail throughout the course. Now on the top, you can see that this first project is untitled by default, but if you click on it, you can actually rename the project to whatever you prefer. And if you see at the very bottom, you have a few different items. The very one which is default is the cursor, and this is going to enable you to drag elements around and select items and things of that nature. If you move on to the next one, you can see that now as I hold with the left mouse button and I move around, you can actually pan around the document. Now you can easily do that just by pressing spacebar as you have the default move tool activated. So this is going to be much more efficient than selecting the pan tool each and every time. On the right of the pan tool, you're going to find the comment section, which is going to enable you to write comments to other team members or write personal notes. We're going to explore some of these collaboration tools in more detail. And a fun addition is the theme, which is going to enable you to change the theme to light or dark UI in just one click. After that, you have some basic zoom in and zoom out options, which you can easily prompt simply by using the command key and scroll wheel up and scroll wheel down, or even plus and minus button plus the command key. So again, command key minus, it's going to zoom out, command key plus, it's going to zoom in. And if we select with the move tool any element, in this case I'm going to select the frame, you're going to see at the very right that this column is dedicated to the options which are going to help you edit the properties and values of a specific object. We're going to explore all of these items in future videos in more detail. And on the top right, most of these options are going to be related to collaboration, publishing, and sharing projects with your team members. Now that you have an overview, we're going to explore all of these tools in much more details in the upcoming videos.